3 small Android settings can make your phone much easier to use: how long the screen stays on, how large the text appears, and whether the battery percentage is visible. Start with Screen Timeout. Open Settings, tap Search, type Screen Timeout, and open the Screen Timeout result under Display. Samsung first positions the setting near the bottom of the display page. Tap Screen Timeout to see every available duration. Choose how long the phone should wait before turning the display off when you are not touching it. A short timeout saves battery, while 1 or 2 minutes gives you more time to read. I am choosing 2 minutes so you can see the checkmark move. This phone originally used 30 seconds, so I am selecting 30 seconds again before leaving the page. The separate Keep Screen On While Viewing switch is optional and remains off here. Next, change the size of system text. Return to Settings Search, type Font Size, and open Font Size and Style under Display. Tap the highlighted row if Samsung first opens the main display page. The preview at the top shows the result before you leave. This setting changes text across the Android interface and many apps, including messaging apps, although an individual app can still offer its own text size control. Use the smaller and larger buttons beside the font size slider, or tap a point on the slider. The preview changes immediately. Move right for larger, easier-to-read text, or left to fit more words on the screen. I am demonstrating a larger size, then a smaller size. The original position on this phone is level 2, so I am returning the slider to level 2. Bold font is a separate option and stays off. Finally, show the exact battery number in the status bar. Return to Settings Search, type Battery Percentage, and open Show Battery Percentage. The result is under Notifications, then Advanced Settings, because Samsung groups status bar options there. On other Android brands, the same switch may be under Battery or Status Bar. Look for the wording Show Battery Percentage rather than relying on the menu location. Turn Show Battery Percentage off and the number disappears from the top right status bar, leaving only the battery icon. Turn it on and the number returns immediately. I am restoring it on, which was this phone's original setting. Your 3 controls are now complete. Screen Timeout decides when an idle display turns off, Font Size changes system text and its preview, and Show Battery Percentage adds or removes the exact number in the status bar. This phone is restored to 30 seconds, font size level 2, and battery percentage on.